Guys, kita sekarang berada di Bandara Morowali di Sulawesi Tenggara. Ini pesawat kita sedang parkir, and we are waiting for the passengers. They coming about 20 minutes more. They going to Kendari. This is Morowali Airport at Central Sulawesi. It's very quiet. The last flight, the regular flight, is Wings Air, already airborne about an hour ago, and we are the last aircraft will depart from here. It's about 4 p.m. or 3:30 p.m. It's about cloudy, and this is the place where the minerals, the nickel, is the biggest deposit in Indonesia, and many investors coming from other countries to invest in here. This is our aircraft, BEECJET400xp, BKELJ. See you later, guys.